Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am going to make breadfruit boiled. That's right. Without further ado, let's get cooking. The first thing that I'm doing here is cut the breadfruit, then remove the skin and the core, then add it in the water. Just in case, if you're wondering why the breadfruit is this color, it's because the breadfruit I'm using is not fully ripe yet or is not fully mature yet. That's why it's giving this color. Next step, I'm going to boil the breadfruit. You will need your water, your salt, and if you want, you can add just a pinch of oil to prevent any stain from the breadfruit. While the breadfruit is cooking, let's go ahead and make the filling for the breadfruit. Sharp celery, shallot, onion, chopped shrimp, hot pepper, seasoning, and pinch of lime juice. Next thing, I'm going to drizzle some oil, then add the vegetables for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients. Combine everything together. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Okay, let's go ahead and mash that breadfruit down. Now, when you fully mash the breadfruit, you can add just a little water, just like I'm doing right here, and the breadfruit. It will make it more smooth. Now, the best part you've been waiting for. Let's make those balls. I have the filling, the shrimp, flour, and the breadfruit. First thing that I'm doing here is add the first layer first, lay it flat, then add the filling, then add the top. I'm going to roll it up and add it in the flour. Be very careful with it, guys, because it's very fragile. Last thing I'm going to do is fry them until nice and golden brown. Guys, if you never had it before, please give it a try. You're going to love it. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.